Let's improve our Turkish with Turkish series. Did you understand?
Anladın mı? Anladım.
Anladın mı?
Anladım.
In this scene
Anladın.
means you understood from the verb,
Anlamak.
which means to understand,
Anladın.
is the second person singular past tense.
Mı?
Means question marker, used to turn a statement into a yes or no question.
Anladım.
Means I understood from the verb.
Anlamak.
And
Anladım.
is the first person singular past tense.
Anladın mı?
Anladım.
Just rest.
Sadece dinlen.
Sadece dinlen.
In this scene
Sadece.
means only and is used to emphasize exclusivity or a limitation to a single action or thing. In this context, it can be translated as just to convey the instruction to focus solely on resting.
Dinlen.
Means rest, the imperative form of the verb,
Dinlenmek.
which means to rest.
Sadece dinlen.
You won't understand. Never mind.
Anlamazsın sen. Boş ver.
Ya anlamazsın sen boş ver.
In this scene
Anlamazsın.
means you won't understand from the verb,
Anlamak.
which means to understand. And
Anlamazsın.
is the second person singular present tense. It implies that the person lacks the capacity to understand in this context, similar to saying it's beyond you.
Sen.
Means you, used for emphasis, referring to the person being spoken to. In Turkish, even though the verb conjugation indicates the subject, personal pronouns are still used for emphasis.
Boş ver.
Means never mind, an imperative phrase meaning to disregard or not to worry about something.
Ya anlamazsın sen boş ver.
May I leave?
Ben çıkabilir miyim?
Ben çıkabilir miyim?
In this scene
Ben.
means I, used to emphasize the speaker themselves.
Çıkabilir.
Means can leave from the verb,
Çıkmak.
which means to leave or to go out, and
Çıkabilir.
is in the present tense and indicates the ability to perform the action, asking if the action can be done now.
Miyim?
Means may I, a question marker in first person singular form used to politely ask for permission.
Ben çıkabilir miyim?
Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for similar content. See you in the next video.